drinking some water, you're going and refreshing yourself. Make it a habit to just look at something good that happened in the day. So far, it could just be that you're still in the morning section of your day. It could be that you are doing this exercise towards the end of your day. No matter what part of the day, you have some time to yourself. Look at all the moments that have passed so far. Maybe even go back to a few weeks, maybe last few months or few years, and recall some good things that have happened to you. This exercise trains your subconscious mind to always think of something good. Now, even if you are experiencing some problems in your life right now, maybe times are tough, maybe the job